It's not important how many people are there waiting for you. There is that moment when you are entirely alone. Then the music plays, you hear the sound of the crowd, the lights come out, and you are together with them.